called Seaside. At the seaside, I saw a sight I've never seen before. For which was land and what was sea, I find I'm still not sure. The cliffs were tall, the waves were small, but I am still in doubt if the tide was in or out. So I saw a side of the seaside, which leaves me quite unsure whether sand is the edge of the land or the sea the edge of the shore. Are there any Cardiffians here? Oh, good.
Say what you like.
This is based on Cardiff, and it's called The Laughing Seagull. The Laughing Seagull. I climbed the gradual rise in simple, quiet thought and care, while others, chatting and laughing in pursuit of midday sustenance, proceeded past to fare. The sunlight reflected brightly from City Hall and County Court, proclaiming for each their glory, purpose and import. An avenue of plane trees with sturdy boles and boughs peeling green and blue and hazel hue offered dapple shade as I wandered my way deep and sober in my mind, when without a hint a sudden laugh pierced my ears and set my glance about. But no one could I see with such expressive merriment ahead or near to me. Again, I searched the trees, the council steps, and scanned the avenue, but saw no sign of anyone immersed in mirth and laughing so. Yet again, those sounds of great hilarity, and I wondered if in ridicule. But why so? I did not entertain by joke nor stand upon my head with thighs exposed. But my peace of mind was surely broke. And there upon a low stone wall with white feathered, unmatched to any courtly house, I spot the merrymaker, a handsome girl. Smooth, the stoke, proud of stance, sleek he was, keen of yellow eye, with a gold and orange hooked beak. He studied me, or was it she? Glanced about and raised his regal head to laugh aloud with the sheer joy of being. It was not scorn, nor warning fear, but pure pleasure right there. I smiled at him in return, and he laughed aloud once more, while I joined him in my own delight. 23. Why, I wondered then, I was so alarmed when beauty sings in us. If God clothes the lily and creates a gift like this, my gaze aloft through the leafy bower shared with me his family, while two lovers strolling by smiled and waved. A cyclist, a car, a policeman came along, and once again my world and thoughts returned to me as I breathed with my heart refreshed and strode on ahead. One more?
Yes, why not?
Not a long one, he says.